Hi, Pipeline team. Thank you for joining me in Projects Milestones. We'll be looking at how to update a milestone status. For example, while you're in the timeline view, we'll click into Johnson Kitchen Remodel. The installation portion, this is the milestone. This milestone is in review. It is now complete. Click Save, and your milestone status is updated. If we go to the list view, you can click into the project. You'll land here in the project overview. We can see the final inspection is actually in follow-up now. If we look from the kanban view, again, we can click edit, scroll down, final inspection. Let's look at that one. This one's in follow-up. Maybe it's blocked. Save. You can also go to Milestones, and from here, change that back to follow-up. If I go to the project's timeline view, looking at the timeline view, the client onboarding, I can see here there are 2 milestones that are overdue. If I just click open this up, seeing the training and enablement, I can see also that it's highlighted. If I click here, I can see that it is overdue. This is where I could change the date, or I can just change this to done, hit save, and it removes that error. And now you can see we're down to 1 milestone overdue instead of 2. Easy as that, changing your milestone status. Thanks.